Ay, ay, I like bitch, who is your mess? Ay, can't keep my dick in my pants. Ay, my bitch don't love me no more. Ay, she kick me out on life, bro. Ay, that bitch don't wanna be.
Yeah, it's your boy Suave back with another video, baby. Today is Wednesday, July 18th, and see, my hair is not looking that great, you know. It's alright, but it's not the best. But today, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to coil your curly hair. Sort of like this, but better. See this? I already coiled this before. That was like a few days ago. But yeah, guys, we're gonna be coiling our hair with SHEA Miracle Bouncy Curls Pudding. This was only like $3 at Walmart, and it's really good stuff. Believe me. But yeah, guys, let's get right into this video, yo. You know what I could do? What I could do is fix this coil right here. Take this one out. Alright. I need a cut, guys. Look at my hairline.
Oh my god, look at that. Ugly boy.
Alright. Ooh. I don't think I need this much. Use about that much. I mean, actually, wait, I think this is too much. Hold on. I don't want to put too much on. Alright. Alright, let me use that. All you gotta do is just get it all over your hair. Get it on my forehead. Alright. There's a fly. And now, you just twist. Twist, and twist, and twist, and twist. Like that. See that? Just want to keep twisting.
Guys, don't mind my loud parents in the background.
It's gonna come out long like this. Look at that. But over time, when it dries, it'll start like shrinking, turn into like a little sausage. But yeah, look. Here, I'm gonna do this one. Again. Get it all over your hair. And if you guys want to coil all, like your whole head, you don't have to do it strip by strip like me. This gets tiring. I think I would have ended up better tying my hair. Alright guys, look. Just keep twisting. My hair's a mess right now. It's like really frizzy. Oh shoot. Yeah guys, this is how you could coil your hair. This is how I coil my hair. And I'm gonna let these dry up. And when they do, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you guys how they came out. Alright guys, I'm gonna let these dry up and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back with the results and this is what I got. This one's only longer because this piece of hair right here was generally longer. Like this is all the way down here. But you know, see, I wouldn't really call this much of a coil, rather a curl. This is really coiled up. This is how you want it. If you just keep twisting, you'll get it like this. I didn't twist this one that much. This one I recently did this one when I was gone, because I forgot to tell you guys, if you want them thick like this one's bigger, you just grab more hair and then twist. Same thing, just grab more hair. But yeah guys, this is the end of this video. Drop a like, share, subscribe. Let's get the video to 15 likes. Okay, this is kind of bothering me a little bit. But yeah, man, this is gonna be it for today. Tomorrow, hopefully I'll drop. We'll see tomorrow. Y'all don't know what's coming. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment what do you want to see in this channel. Like, I need you guys to comment. I need to know what you guys want to see in this channel. And like, you can give me prank ideas, give me challenges, anything, bro. Yeah, stay tuned. Remember, keep it suave.
Hey, hey, I like bitch, you is your mess. Hey, can't keep my dick in my pants. Hey, my bitch don't love me no more. Hey, she kick me out on life, bro.